Rudy Rising. Question. Are you sleeping 8 hours a day, but you're still getting up, feeling fatigued and tired? I'm talking about you're getting up, but your body is up and your spirit is somewhat laying down. If this you, this was me too. Like, I would reach for a cup of caffeine, some type of sugar content early in the day. I would look for it for an answer to get me boosted with energy. Like the caffeine was just going to resurrect something in me that the minerals was missing. I know. We talk about protein, we talk about calories. We don't talk more about trace minerals. Trace minerals are the things that our body actually runs on. I look at it like soil. When soil becomes depleted, meaning it holds no more life, the amino acids, phytonutrients, the humus, it struggles. It doesn't argue, it doesn't fight, it doesn't try to compete with other soils or anything. It simply wait and struggles. That's when I decided to reset. I needed to reset. My reset happened with a 3-day fast. All I drank was a mineral rich drink that would, of course, replenish what my body was missing. The first day, I remember having a headache. And the headache would come and go. I would feel thriving sensations most of the time. But the first day normally would be the hardest day. A lot of people who don't fast or have never tried to fast, they might experience sick symptoms. Just know you're not sick. Your body is cleaning up. That's it. Day 2, I started to get a little bit of clarity. Things were mellowing out. It was more tolerable. I didn't feel so grouchy. Now day 3, this is when I started to notice keen results. I found myself getting up earlier. I would be up before the alarm sounded off. Let me tell you, my energy was cleaner. I felt more energized. I felt sharper. I was sharper in the mind. I remember being more accurate with my train of thought. My mobility was accurate. I was speaking more clearly. I was speaking consciously. The information I was receiving, I processed it different. I wasn't so emotionally detached from myself. I was aware, more in tune with my surroundings. So, that's when it hit me. Most of us aren't lazy. We're depleted. Think about it. We're grinding 24/7. We're trying to grow businesses. We're even trying to raise families. And we're doing all of this on mineral deficient soil. Whew. That's hustling backwards. And Rooted Rising isn't about hustling harder. It's about restoring foundation. Sometimes our breakthrough isn't motivation, it's minerals. It's not about hustling, it's about building foundation. And when we build the soil, when we restore the soil, put the needed minerals and the trace elements, the trace minerals and things back into the soil, make it more alive, it's organically sound. You better believe your bottom dollar, that plant will rise, and so will you. So thank you for watching. If this information gave you value, like. If you find someone else who may need to hear this and they can motivate themselves to do something good with their body today or tomorrow or change their mindset, share it with them. And of course, if you want more content, follow, subscribe. So as always, you guys stay up, stay rooted, and keep rising.